As was typical of a season long ago, there was a pile of little boys in the back of my red minivan. We were driving down the street toward our home when I noticed some unusual dark gray storm clouds in the sky. Behind the clouds was a glowing blue hue with splashes of pink and gold. It was the beginning of sunset, and evidently my then 4-year-old son had never seen a sky exactly like that before. "I never saw today," he exclaimed as he peered out the van window, reacting to the sky. The wonder in his voice floored me. The only way he could think of to describe this amazing sky, which he had never seen before, was, "I never saw today." What did his exclamation do for my mama's heart? Well, that's where we're headed. I'm Gem Fadling, and it's time for I Can Do That. As my son pondered aloud out the window, I was reminded that I too never saw today. My day had been full of school parties, and upon arriving home, I would continue to prepare for another event that evening. I was scurrying around, managing the tasks of my day, and hadn't stopped once to wonder at the gifts given to me by my Creator. Presence makes life so much more enjoyable, doesn't it? I've been nurturing a spirit of presence for decades now, and I'm still learning and growing. I've learned how to listen intently to the person speaking to me, to see the flowers on the path along my walk, to sense the love of God as I attend to my errands, and yes, to a beautiful sunset. It is simple presence in the seemingly mundane that can give meaning to our days, because we know that God is with us and we are with Him. So, instead of seize the day, what if we try to see today? Now, this episode is releasing the day after Christmas, and it truly is the season of God with us. So, this is as good a time as any to see today. And once you see, allow yourself to receive. Embrace the goodness just like my son did when gazing at a sky he had never seen before. See the day. Here's your I Can Do That for this week. As you move into this week, try sinking further into presence. Here are a couple of ideas. If you are meeting with a person, look them in the eye. Listen attentively. Pray for them as they speak to you. Let God's love flow through you to them. And if you're accomplishing a task, give God thanks for this opportunity. Notice your surroundings. Is there something unexpected? Try to find beauty in the moment, even if there isn't anything inherently beautiful. Sense God's love for you as you engage in this work, event, or task. Learning to become present moment by moment is an ongoing process. Give yourself some space and some grace. And remember, you're making your way forward one small, simple, and gracious step at a time. Now, we've been talking about my husband Alan's new book, A Year of Slowing Down, all month, so do yourself a favor as you head into the new year. Get this book and give yourself just 5 minutes a day to linger in the presence of Jesus, our unhurried Savior. You can purchase A Year of Slowing Down at your favorite bookseller.